A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to your class after midterm exams. Today we will start a new chapter, Decimal Numbers Part 1. So to begin with the definition, please have a look for the numbers given. If you see, some numbers are written here as 7 by 10, 11 by 100, 243 by 1000, 967 by 100, etc. Can you see something common there? Yes, you are right. They are fractions, but their denominators are as 10, 100, 1000, etc. So now if you are asked what are decimal fractions, so I have given you the answer as fractions with denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. are decimal fractions. Is it clear to you? So I will request you all to write the definition of decimal fractions, which is given in the form of question and answer on the right side of the PPT. You must have seen many numbers where you see points. Now, decimal fractions are the fractions whose denominators are 10, 100,000, and decimals are the number which have point in them. For example, 0.7, 0.11, 0.243, etc. Clear? Now, you will not read the digits after decimal as 0.11. If I write a number as 0.57, you will not say it is 0.57. This will be wrong. Clear? It will be 0.57. That's what they are showing here. So how to read and write the decimal numbers? Please look here. Decimal fraction is given as 7 by 10. Its decimal number will be 0.7 and it will be read as 0.7 or 7 tenths. Tenths because it is at tenths place. 62 by 100 will be written as 0.62 or 62 hundredths. Clear? Now you must be wondering how 7 by 10 is written as 0.7. Now the trick here is write the number first. So we have a 7. We will write 7. Okay, write the number first. So we have a 7, write 7. Then in the denominator part, how many zeros are there? Just one zero. So before this one digit, put a decimal. And since no digit is before the decimal, you can put a 0 here. So what I want to say is that 7 by 10 will be written as 0.7. 7 by 100 will be written as, now here what? You will write 7 first. Okay. Now you have two digits in your denominator. Two zeros are there in your denominator. Can you see? 100 has two zeros, 1 and 2. So I got one digit. I want one more digit. I will put a 0 here. And then I will put the decimal. Means as many zeros as you have in your denominator, those many digits should come after decimal. So 0.07, I will place a 0 here. Clear? Now here is a number 158 by 1000. So what you will do? First you will write 158 only. Fine. Now how many zeros in the denominator? 1, 2, 3. So where my decimal will come? 1, 2, 3. Decimal will come before 1. So you can write 0.158. Clear? So I have given the definitions here. Please write them in your classwork notebook. Moving on to the next part, place value and expanded form. Place value and expanded form of general numbers you have already studied. What happens when we have decimal in them? Look here. Write the place value of each digit of 1289.754. So when you will make the chart, you know 9 is at ones place, 9 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, and 1 is at thousands place. That's what they have shown here. Fine. Now point is there? Yes. After point or after decimal, what is happening? 7 is there. So 7 is coming at tens place. That's what I am saying. Tens and tens. Tens comes after decimal. 7 is at tens place. Tens means it is actually 7 by 10. 5 is at hundreds place, means it is 5 by 100. And 4 is at thousands place, means it is 4 by 1000. Is it clear? That's what they have done. Now place value of 1, 2, 8 and 9 you know. 1 is 1000, 2 is 200, 8 is 80 and the place value of 9 is 9. Now place value of 7 is, as I said, 7 tenth, that is 7 by 10 or 0.7. 5 hundredths, that is 5 by 100 or 0.05, and 4 is 4 by 1000 or 0.004. How come 4 by 1000 is 0.004? So what you will do here? First we will write 4. Okay, that is done. Then how many zeros are there in the denominator? 1, 2 and 3. So I have one digit, I will put 1 0 and I will put one more 0. Now I will put the decimal. So no digit before decimal, so I will put a 0. So it is 0.004. Clear? Okay. So I am doing side by side parallelly. I have done your classwork also. I'll request you all to see the sums, understand them and do them in your notebooks. Exercise 1 of page 63 is your classwork. The first question is, read the following decimals. Just now I told you 21.45, or it can be written as 21 and 45 hundredths. Okay, or what? 21.45. We don't read it as 21.45. That will be wrong. Whichever way you are comfortable, either write 21 and 45 hundredths, because 45 is at hundredths position. Alright, 21.45. Question number 3, subpart B. Write in expanded form. So 28.81 will be written as 20 plus 8 plus 8 is at what position? 8 is at tens position. So 8 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Clear? Question number 4, subpart B is, you have to write in short form, the opposite of expanded form. So the number is given as 9000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 6 plus 0.5 plus 0.04 plus 0.003, which will give you the answer as 9876.543. Now we have like and unlike decimals. Like and unlike decimals are, like and unlike terms are not new to you. You have already studied this term number of times. So why we use them? Like and unlike terms are used for comparison. Okay, suppose they are asking 7.35, see one example, 7.35, 48.46 are like decimals. How are they like? Because they have same digits after decimal. 2 digits after decimal and 2 digits after decimal. Got the concept of like? Now unlike will be when they have different digits after decimal. Look here, 11.7 and 11.07. So here only one digit is there after decimal and here two digits are there after decimal. So they are unlike decimal. Clear? You got the concept of like and unlike? Now how you will convert unlike to like? See one example. Convert the following into like decimals. And they are unlike. Why they are unlike? Because if you see all of them have different digits after decimal. Here it is 7.8 means one digit after decimal. Here it is 5.275 means three digits after decimal. Here it is 9.05 means how many digits? Yes, two digits after decimal and here one digit after decimal. So they are all unlike. And now your work is to make them like. How you will make them like? You will make them like by placing each of these decimals have to be converted to decimal with 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places because if you see here maximum decimal place is 3, isn't it? Others are 1, 2 and 1. So what we will do? We will add as many zeros to make it a 3 digit after decimal. 7.8. Now 7.8 has one digit after decimal. I placed two zeros here. It became 7.800. Same way 5.275 to no change because it has three digits after decimal. 9.05 will become 9.050. 8.5 will become 8.500. Is it clear? So I have done question number 5 subpart B. Write the place value of each digit. Just now we have discussed how to write the place value. 28.349. Here place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 8 is 8. Place value of 3 is 3 by 10 which will be 0.3. Place value of 4 is 4 by 100 which will be 0.04 and for 9 it will be 0.009. Now question number 6, they are asking you to compare. See, the concept of like and unlike helps you in comparing the decimal numbers, arranging them in ascending and descending order also. So I have done one C part of question number 6. Digits numbers given were 9.999 and 9.009. So before decimal 9 is here and 9 is here. Okay, no problem. After decimal we have a 9 here and we have a 0 here. So which one is greater? Yes, 9 is greater. So obviously this digit is 9.999 is greater than 9.009. Okay. You just start comparing one digit at a time. Wherever you see it is greater, just put the greater sign. We have one more term of equivalent decimals. Equivalent decimals means if I ask you to write two equivalent decimals for 0.9, how you will write? 0.9 will be equal to 0.90 and 0.900. All of them are same. Even 0.90000 is also an equivalent decimal. What we are doing after the digit means a decimal is there, after that a digit is there, after that you can add as many zeros. No change will happen in the value. So the value of a decimal number does not change if more zeros are added after the rightmost digit of a decimal number. See one more example. Write three equivalent decimal number for 2.53. So first we will write 2.53. Now after 0.53 you can add as many zeros. So for three equivalent decimal numbers I will write 2.530 as the first number, 2.5300 as the second number and 2.53000 as the third number. Please see whatever I have done on the right hand side of the page. Write them as notes in your classwork copy. These are all your classworks. Now, ordering decimal number means you will learn here how to arrange in ascending and descending order. So first what you will do? First you will convert unlike decimals into like decimals. That you know already. How you will convert unlike to like? Yes, you will add the zeros. Then start comparing with the whole part. Whole part means the number which is on the left hand side of the decimal number, and after that you can come to the right hand side of the decimal or the point. So look here, one example, which is greater, 12.451 or 12.54. So first, here it has 3 digits and here it has 2 digits after decimal. So let us make them like 12.451 will be 12.451 only. Now 12.54 will be 12.540. Now both of them have 3 digits after decimal, so they became like. Now start comparing. So 12 and 12, fine. Now 4 is here and 5 is here. So obviously 5 is greater. So 12.451 is smaller than 12.54. Now arranging the decimal in ascending order. I have done question from your exercise, arrange in ascending order. I hope you know what is ascending order. Ascending order is arranging from smaller to bigger number. So first we will write the numbers, then we will convert to unlike to like, and then we will start the comparison. So when I converted, I got the numbers as 186.200, 168.240, 186.450 and 168.042. So which one is the smallest here? Here also 162, 168, here also 168. Okay. Now here it is a 0, here it is a 2. So the smallest is 168.042, then 168.240. Now for 186.200 and 186.5. So 186, 186 fine. Now 0.2 and zero point 0.4. So obviously 0.2 is smaller. So 186.200 and 186.450. Fine. So this is exercise of the same chapter. The questions which I have circled are already done in the classwork. Please do them in your copy, and whichever is ticked is your homework. Do them in your copy as the homework and send me your works on time. That was all for today, my dear students. Thank you. Stay safe.